Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive through Haldimand County, Ontario. Today we're traveling from the quiet village of Selkirk to the lively town of Port Dover, following the scenic roads along Lake Erie's northern shore. Selkirk is one of the oldest villages in Walpole Township, settled around 1800. In its early days, it was a busy spot for farmers and fishermen. The village once had a mill, a fishery, an apple evaporating factory, and the well-known Blue Water Hotel. Today, Selkirk is a peaceful community with a strong connection to its rural roots. As we leave Selkirk, we pass through the gentle landscapes of Haldimand County. The county is known for its rich farmland, small towns, and a strong sense of community. Continuing our journey, we arrive in Port Dover, a town with deep historical roots. The area was first inhabited by Indigenous peoples, including the Algonquin and Attawandaron nations. By 1794, United Empire Loyalists had established a settlement known as Dover Mills. Port Dover was incorporated as a village in 1835 and grew into a bustling fishing and tourist town. Today, it's famous for its sandy beaches, vibrant community events, and the popular Friday the 13th motorcycle rally. From the quiet charm of Selkirk to the lively atmosphere of Port Dover, this region offers a unique glimpse into Ontario's past and present. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Haldimand County, Ontario. Thanks for watching!